Today we have a new test entry question for you. So let's start. X square root plus minus x square root is equal to 36. We are find the value of x is unknown. So in this type of square root problem we must be checked, because the square root problem, if the answer are not coming same, so we will get the answer is empty set. So now here we change this vector, this value to the right side, their sign is here positive. If we transfer, so their sign is changed into negative. X square root is equal to 36 minus x square root. Now taking square on both sides, taking square on each sides to get here x square root square is equal to 36 minus x square root whole square. So this will be cancelled. We get here x minus, here we are using the formula. According to this formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. According to the algebraic formula we are using here. So in this formula, if we are open this term 36 square, that is a square plus b square minus x minus 2a into b is minus x square root. So now if with 36 square, for example, you have not calculate 36 square. Now remember this one. Look here, it means that here we put the value of 3 integers, because here is 2 integer, we put 3 integers. Here look here, we put here 3 square, and similarly and 6 square. So and 3 square we put here 9, and 6 square we get 36. And 36 we put here, and 3 is carry up to this integer. Now similarly the second steps we will do this one. 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2, we get here 36 again. So this 6 we put here and add this term. So 6, 3 plus 6, 9, and this integer is up to another terms, carry up. So 3 plus 9 we get 12. 1296 we will get the answer of 36. X is equal to 1296. If you have no calculator, you are using this procedure, and this will be cancelled with this one. We get minus x and minus 72 minus x square root. Now x is equal to 1296 plus into minus 72 under the root of minus x. Now we transfer x to the x sides. Here x plus x is equal to 1296 minus 72 under the root of minus x. If we add their coefficients, so we get here 2x is equal to 1296 minus 72 under the root of minus x. Here is 2, but here we are taking common 2, so we will get here 2x is equal to 2. So we get here 648 minus 36 under the root of minus x. Now dividing both sides by 2, 648 minus 36 minus x square root divided by 2, both are cancelled. This one, x is equal to 648 minus 36 minus x square root. Now we transfer this result here. So we get here 6 minus 648 is equal to minus 36 under the root of minus x is the remaining. Now again if we take again taking square on both sides, again we take square on both sides of this equation. X minus 648 whole square is equal to minus 36 minus x square root whole square. So according to the formula, we are upon a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a into b is equal to minus square we get plus, and this will be 36 square and minus x square root square. So this will be cancelled. 648 whole square minus this will be 196, 2 multiplied by 648 we get 1296, x is equal to this will be 1296 and minus is multiplied by minus x. So now if we transfer this result, so both results are x square plus 648 whole square is equal to minus 1296x. This will be changed, this will be plus 1296x. Both are cancelled, we get here 0. Here x square plus 648 whole square is equal to 0. If we transfer this result to the right side, x square is equal to minus 648 whole square. So now we are taking square root on both sides of this problem. So if we are taking square root, so and square root we can taking square root on both sides plus minus, so minus 648 whole square. So this will be in the square root problem. In the square root problem here, minus is from the outside from this value. So now both are cancelled. This one x is equal to square root is remaining minus. In place of minus we put iota square and 648 whole square. Again we can write 648 iota whole square square root plus minus is also we can. So now we are using here, this one is square root is cancelled, we get plus minus 648 iota. So the value of x is equal to plus minus 648 iota. Now we want to check, in place of x we put 648 iota square root plus and minus 648 iota is equal to 36. Now we are using here a plus b here, taking square on both sides, 648 iota square root plus and minus 648 iota whole square is equal to 36 whole square. Now according to the formula, so 648 iota square plus minus 648 iota square root whole square plus 2 648 iota square root and minus square root 648 iota is equal to 36 square. So this will be cancelled, this will also cancel. Here we get 648 iota and minus into plus minus 648 iota plus 2 and 2. This is also multiplication 2 and 64 iota into minus 64 iota we can write in 1 square root 36 square. So this will be equal to, this will be cancelled to each other. Now we can simplify further. This one 648 iota square is minus minus plus, this will be 36 square. This is cancelled to each other. 2648 is equal to 36 square. If we multiply this result, so we will get here 1296 is equal to 36 square, 1296. So our solution is correct. So x is equal to plus minus 648 iota is our answer. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you for advance for the comments. Thanks for subscribing.